Hello friends, welcome to my channel Olymp Raj Trader. Uh, Today is day 2 according to my strategy, a trading plan in $10 to $500 in 15-day series. This is a second day for this series. So let's go on to table. So this is my plan, friends. So this is a very clear cut image, you can see it now. According to the plan, I already completed day 1, so I have the balance $13 in my account. And today I'll start with $13. So according to second day, we need to achieve balance $16.9 in our account. So let's get start to our trading session. So guys, yesterday I noticed that the market reacts very good, really very good in night time around 7:30 to 10:30. In between the market is very good, I noticed that, but unfortunately I didn't record that video also, but I did trades for the second trade actually. So from $13 as of my last video, you can check my balance 13.40 cents it seems, I think. So now my balance is 16.44, means 14.5, 14.4, 15.4, 61, $3 profit I gained yesterday night. So I'll show you the trades. Yeah, this happened yesterday. You can see this from the basic altcoin index. I put $10. Previous that I lost some trades, I had to recover that. I put a large amount to recover amount. So fortunately I won all the trades, so I am in profit now. So but according to our day second, I need to achieve 16.90. So for that purpose we need more 40 cents in my account. So for that purpose I am making one more trade for you guys to explain this strategy, how it works. So for this strategy I am using reversal pattern. So for this I'll explain you what are the indicators I'm using here. First of all, I'll removing all the indicators, then later I'll show you how you apply this strategy in this. So I'm deleting every indicator. So deleted. So this is a naked chart. I can see it on my screen now. Friends, I'll show you how the indicators will be set. So here in the top right corner you can see this alphabet A symbol. If you click on that, you will get a pop-up. So in that you can see strategies, oscillators and indicators. So we need two type of indicators, one is oscillators and one is indicators. Click on oscillators first. From this you can select are my favorite indicators in my lobby. So if you want, you can select from all oscillators, down given button, you can select that and you can check all the indicators, oscillators. So clicking on RSI, add to chart. So already set to my chart now. So you can change this color of the signal line. So I like to put yellow color always for some thickness and apply and go back to the chart. Yeah, it is already set to my chart. And I need one more indicator, that's called Bollinger Band. indicator tab and select Bollinger Band, add to chat. So here bandwidth is 10 and select yes and apply to the chart. Yeah, it's already set. So I'll show you how we will take the signal when here I can show you one example here. Right now I am linking my cursor on screen. So this is actual extra large green candle you can see here touching to the upper band of Bollinger bands. So and also here in the RSI you can see the yellow line cross the green line which is overbought region. So whenever we see this combination, so we can take reversal to that candle. What I mean to say is here the green candle, extra large candle we can see, right? So to that reverse, if it is a red candle towards downward, so then we need to take, and reversal candle to that we need to take higher. So according to here, it's according to this green candle, reversal is red one. So I took put here. So that is actual strategies works. So let's get into some trading, and one more trade I want to take here, friends. So we will wait for good signal. We will search for good signal. But trading in mobile, it's too difficult, friend, because each and every chart we need to open and we need to check where the signal is perfect. URCAD, so ERGPY, small growth. So I am trading on 1 minute candle with 1 minute trading time. So expiration time is also 1 minute. Here I can see very good signal in USD NOK. It's crossing the lower Bollinger Band, and also the yellow color is touching the red one. If the candle goes down, I'll take to higher. I open a trade here to upside. Hopefully we will win this trade. As of now I can see the candle is moving upside. We will see what happens here. If we win this trade, we will achieve our target for the day second. This candle is going up. Some seconds only remaining. So let's see what happens here. Just 5 seconds. Yeah, we won this trade and we got profit. So now our balance is 17.24. Actually we required only 16.9. So we achieved our target and we achieved more than that. So according to my strategy, we achieved day 2 also. Okay friends, for this I'll upload more videos, and please encourage me and support my channel. I am eagerly waiting to reach 10,000 subscribers. Please support and share the video. Please click like button to engage video more. Okay friends, hope you understand the strategy and what I am using, and hope you understand my 15 days series also plan. So if you have any doubts, please don't hesitate to ask in comment box. I'll reply. Definitely I'll reach out to you with a convenient answer that I know. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you friends.